Hi there, it's Arena. I hope you guys are all doing well. I feel like I haven't sat down and filmed a video in such a long time, but I came back from my Japan and Korea trip. It's been like a few weeks. It took me a little bit of time to like settle down, and I also got so sick when I came back. But I really wanted to film a little clothing haul for you guys because I brought so much cute clothes while I was traveling. But I have a massive basket of my clothes from Japan and then another massive basket of my clothes from Korea, but I'm gonna split them into two videos. So I think today I'm going to film my Japan haul, and of course I will also do a try on haul, so I'll insert clips of all the outfits that I talk about. But before we get started, I wanted to quickly shout out today's sponsors. Thank you Tokyo Treats and Sakurako for sponsoring today's video. Tokyo Treats is a fun and exclusive Japanese subscription snack box filled with limited edition Kit Kats, unique flavored chips, seasonal treats, and even sometimes Japan exclusive sodas that are only available for a limited time. I literally get so excited every single time these show up at my doorstep. Literally, how adorable. It's so exciting every single time I see one. This month's box is Harajuku Snack Ventures. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love the colors. Whoa, did you see that? There's like a rainbow marshmallow in there. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. The boxes are always filled to the brim, and I literally get so excited to see the different things that I'm gonna find in each box. Of course, they come with like a little pamphlet filled with all the information about all the different snacks, as well as any like dietary or allergies that each snack contains, which is like perfect for those of you with like food allergies. Oh my gosh, I don't know why, but I have like a little bit of an obsession with like marshmallow types of snacks. I went crazy for them when I was in Korea. I was like starting to miss like so many Japanese snacks when I came back, because you just don't have like as much, you don't have as easy access to them in Australia as you do like when you're in Japan. So I'm so excited. Like, this is really like filling the void in my heart right now, because my Japanese withdrawals are kind of crazy. And of course we can't forget about Sakurako. I absolutely adore my Sakurako boxes. Look how beautiful and classic the packaging is on Sakurako. Sakurako is a monthly Japanese artisan snack box that celebrate and work with local snack makers all across Japan. Each box includes 20 artisan traditional handcrafted Japanese snacks, including premium tea and a special and unique Japanese tableware item, which is so adorable. This box is Mount Fuji Summertime. I went to Mount Fuji twice this Japan trip, and I absolutely adore it. I have like a soft spot for Mount Fuji in my heart, so I'm so excited. I feel like I'm always only there for like a day, so it's so hard to try all the different unique snacks that like Mount Fuji have to offer. So I'm so excited for this box. I literally cannot wait to delve into it. Of course, the Sakurako boxes also come with a pamphlet that are filled with the information of the snack. It makes it so much more easy for you to like be able to enjoy each box. I'm so excited. I know my family is going to be so excited for these boxes too, because they actually came to like hang out with me a little bit while I was in Japan, and I know that they're missing it a lot as well. So we're all gonna rummage through the boxes and have a great time. I feel like they're perfect to share with like your loved ones. So definitely, if you want to grab your own subscription and enjoy these beautiful Japanese snacks from the comfort of your home, feel free to click the link down in the bio or use my discount code ARENA at checkout. But let's get on with the rest of the haul. So this is my Japan basket, and I think I'm gonna start with my Japan clothes first, and I'll film a separate video for my Korea haul. So I think I'm gonna start off with just like cute random Japanese boutiques, and then I'm gonna go into Uniqlo and Goop, because those are kind of the main shops that I shop at when I'm in Japan. But I have this adorable t-shirt. I kind of fell in love with this t-shirt as soon as I saw it. I actually got this in Kittyland in Japan. I'm not that big of a Chikawa fan, but the girl that I was traveling, my best friend, she's obsessed. And I just thought that this t-shirt was the cutest thing ever. It's like 3 little characters from Chikawa, and they're like running with like dango, and like it's got like cherry blossoms, and if you know me, I'm a massive fan of cherry blossoms, and this reminds me of like cherry blossom and matcha. Like the color is giving matcha. And then look at the back, it's like a massive mame daifuku, which I feel like is a traditional treat. And then they're at the back eating it. So freaking cute. Usagi Chikawa. I always forget this character's name. This t-shirt's so cute. I cannot wait to wear it. I also found this like really adorable like floral kind of shirt. It's got like an elastic detail at the back, which really like scrunches it in, and then it flares out, so it's kind of like a little bit peplum. I get kind of scared for tops like this because I feel like peplum tops are kind of hard to style, but this one isn't too peplum. It comes out like a little bit, so it's just like a nice drapey detail. I just thought it would be like perfect for summertime. It's so cute. And I also got this top as well. I just like really love cardigans. I kind of went crazy with the cardigans in Korea, so I had to rein it a little bit in when I was in Japan, but I just thought this one was like too pretty. It's a dusty pink, and then it has like a ruffle collar and then scallop trim along the sleeves. It kind of flares out a little bit at the sleeves, and then you tie the middle in the front. It'll be a lot easier to see when I insert the try-on clip of this cardigan. It's just super cute, and I had to pick that one up. I also got this adorable like asymmetric kind of flowy skirt. It's like a gorgeous cream beige color, and it's got some lace detail at the bottom. It's asymmetrical, and I've always wanted skirts like this because they just look so like pretty and whimsical, but I feel like they're just a little hard to style sometimes with like everyday clothes. But I just really loved how this skirt looked, so I picked it up. It's literally so beautiful, but I really need to learn how to style it because I feel like it is just like kind of hard to wear every day unless I want to dress like a little fairy princess, which I do, but I need to learn how to style it first. And I also picked up this cute little black bubble skirt. I just really liked how like short and mini this bubble skirt is. I feel like for me, the only way bubble skirts like look good are when they're really short, just because I feel like the shape looks better when it's really short. So this one was like really short, and it has like a thick waistband, which I kind of like because it comes out and it's puffy, so I feel like when it cinches you in on the waist, I feel like it just looks more flattering overall. So I thought it was perfect. It did come with this like white random like thing at the top. I don't really know how I feel about this white thing. I mean, when you wear a white top you can't tell, but I actually think it looks better when it's like tucked in a little bit, so it's just like a normal black waistband. I may or may not cut this white part off and just have it as like a black skirt. I'll see. I don't think it's the worst thing ever, but I don't think it would be too hard to like remove either. But this skirt is so cute, but it is super short. It does have built-in shorts though, so that's kind of okay. Super cute. So those were kind of the items that I picked up from like small cute boutiques, and the rest of the items that I have are from Uniqlo and Goo. So I'm gonna start with Uniqlo because there's like less compared to like my Goo haul. But the first thing that I have is this adorable, I actually made this. I made this t-shirt for me and my boyfriend. I got this printed at the Ginza Uniqlo store. My little brother designed the art for me, but it's for me and my boyfriend. I drew him a picture for like Valentine's Day, and I thought it'd be cute to like kind of have it on a t-shirt, so I got us matching ones. I kind of wanted it to be like a baby tee, but this is not giving baby tee at all. It's actually like quite big on me. I might like alter it or just like crop it to make it a little bit more like cute and baby tee vibes, but I'm just so glad with how the print came out because it looks so freaking adorable. It's us. My brother designed the art for me, so props to him because I think he did such an amazing job. Absolutely adorable. One of my favorite things. And then I also got this really cute yellow cardigan. I just want like different colored cardigans because I feel like it's cold in Australia right now, and just having like a little cardigan to keep me warm and it's like looks cute and preppy, I love. So I would, yeah, as I said, a bit crazy, but this one's like a classic basic nice easy to style yellow cardigan. Love that from Uniqlo. I also got this top. I don't know why, but I just thought this was like really cute. It's like a polo, it's like a button-up collared short shirt, but it's like that t-shirt material, so it's more casual. I thought it would be like really cute and preppy to style with like skirts and stuff like that, and it looks comfortable. So I had to pick this one up. And the last piece that I got from Uniqlo is actually this like cute little cropped black jacket. I play a lot of sports and I just feel like black is an easy neutral color to style. I don't really like wearing black in my everyday wardrobe, but for sports I make an exception. And I just thought this jacket was super nice because I bought a few cropped jackets the last time I was in Japan and Korea, but I felt like this one was like so nicely constructed. It's such good material and it's like high neck, so it zips like all the way to the top and it has a hood, but I feel like when you wear it down you can like open the collar a bit and it looks like a little bit more like fashionable, I think, because it has like a collar jacket. I don't know, I just think it looks more cool than like a normal collar jacket. So I had to pick this one up, and it was also on sale when I brought it, which helped. The next items that I'm gonna go through are items that I got from Goo. I always go crazy for Goo when I'm in Japan because we don't have Goo here in Melbourne. And I actually got this cute cardigan. It's like a little like loosely knit button-up cardigan. I told you I just love wearing them, so I picked up so many when I travel, but this one is super nice. I feel like it gives like summer vibes. I don't know, I just thought it's really nice. But this is like, yeah, one of the items that I picked up from Goo. I also got this shirt. I like don't really know how I want to style it yet, but it's just like a long shirt, a long white button-up shirt, but it comes with like a drawstring, so I feel like I could do something like I could wear it like a dress, tie the waist and make it look cute. I'm not sure, but I sometimes like wearing shirts as dresses, so I'll see how I can style this piece, but I just thought it was like really nice. It's a little bit sheer as well, and the material seems like pretty cool. It's like a thin linen. I don't know what type of material that's called. I also got like a lot of singlet tops, like singlet tops to wear underneath, because I realized that sometimes when I wear cardigans, I don't really have anything to wear underneath them, especially with cardigans like this pink one that's like open and tight at the front. Like I don't know what to wear underneath, so I picked up a lot of like undergarment tops to wear underneath my cardigans, and they're like super cute in Goo and also like really inexpensive, which I love. So I got this one. This one like ended up being perfect because it's a cute dusty pink and it's got a lace trim with a bow down the middle. I feel like they even look cute when you wear them by yourself, and it's the same color as this, which makes them like low-key perfect to combine together. So I love that. I liked this one so much that I also picked it up in a white color. So cute. I just feel like so classic and easy to style, and I feel like it just elevates your look because it's like a little nice dainty detail to your outfit. So I picked up those two, and I also picked up one in this like really cute floral print, and this one's more of like a cream beige. So it's a cute cream beige with like a purple flower pattern, but I'm super happy with these three. I also picked up this like cute crew neck t-shirt. I sometimes when I dress casually, I don't like wearing t-shirts because they look too casual, so I wanted to get like more elevated, nice dressier t-shirts just to be comfortable and still look cute, and I thought this one was kind of perfect for that because it has that like cute pattern that the other singlets have, so it's like an elevated, nice looking t-shirt. I also got this undershirt as well, and I just liked it because it has like that really cute floral embroidery at the front, and with certain cardigans I feel like this peeks out and it just looks like really pretty. So I thought that was so cute. I got all of these in a medium as well, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I feel like in Japan I wear medium. I love those, and I also got this one. I really like tops like this because I don't particularly like wearing bras, like especially when the sleeves are thinner and it's like harder to wear a bra without showing. I love when tops just incorporate a bra. So this one has like a built-in bra, and it's just like this pretty cream ribbed top, and it's like a square neck, which I feel like is probably one of the more flattering necklines on me. So I picked this one up from Goo as well. Super cute, just like nice to wear under clothes and not having to worry about stuff like that. I also picked up a few pants. So I got these. I've been wanting like a wide leg black pair of trousers for the longest time, and I don't gravitate towards black, but sometimes I feel like black just suits an outfit, and I don't have any nice black trouser pants. So when I saw this one, like it's the style that I like. I like this thin loose material, and they're like wide legs, so I feel like they still look casual, but then because they're like this nice trouser material, they still look like put together and nice. And it came with like a drawstring waistband, which makes it like even extra comfortable because it just bends to your waist. So I had to pick this one up. I'm so happy that I found a nice pair of black pants because I've been looking for ages and I just haven't been able to find anything. And the last item that I picked up from Goo are these beautiful flared jeans. I like love this like kind of wash of denim. I am not a denim girl. I don't really wear jeans that often. I actually bought, I think, the exact same pair the last time I was in Japan, but I bought like a darker blue, and they're so pretty, but I feel like dark colors just don't really match my wardrobe sometimes. So when I saw these and they were like a lighter wash, I thought that they would suit me a little bit more. And they're a flared leg, and I just love the way flared legs look, like the flared jeans look. They're so retro, so like 2000s, and it's got like brown stitching, which I love because I feel like I can wear it with gold. So I really like these jeans. I'm kind of sad because like, yeah, I do have a darker pair that I haven't even worn yet, but luckily I have worn these already, so that's already a pretty good start. But I love these flared leg jeans. Those are all the pieces that I picked up while I was in Japan. I miss it so much, and I actually am really happy. I feel like I picked up some like pretty good basics that I feel like I'll wear all the time, so I'm pretty happy about that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and of course if you want to support me and my channel, definitely feel free to check out Tokyo Treats and Sakura Co down in the bio below, or use my discount code a.luunaaa at checkout, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!